Hey, what's up everyone? I have this old radio controlled car. This is from the mid 80s. But the batteries have been in there for quite a long time. And it has leaked all over. I will try to use some vinegar to clean out the battery compartment. I'm gonna use this type. This is the strongest I could find. It's 35%. The batteries are best before March 2008. One of the batteries seems to be okay, but it's dead. I'll just use the cork. I don't need much. It seems like it's working quite good. So I'm just gonna leave it on for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out with some brake clean. This is a strong degreaser that vaporizes completely. And I use some compressed air to dry it out. That looks so much better. But one of the springs, this one, broke off. And I remember I replaced it about 20 years ago. So I'm gonna have to make a new one. I found this one. I'm sure I can use this. Okay, so I got that on there. Now I'll just see if this thing still works. This is over 35 years old. And it was my first RC car ever. This is best before 1296. That's December 1996. So it's quite old. It's quite dead. If this still had work, it would be quite good battery. I'm gonna try this. This is actually a bit old as well. It's best before July 2021. That doesn't matter. Yes, that's very good. It still works. It has some problems, but I think that's some interference here in the garage, actually. Oh, everything works now. Cool. This is obviously 4-wheel drive, and it has a high and low. Let's put it in high. And what's cool with this car is it has electric winch. It's got light as well. That's cool. Everything still works. I had so much fun with this car when I was a kid. So I will make an own video of this driving. So this was just for the batteries. But it's so cool, it still works. And as I said, this is from the mid-80s. The brand is Nico. But the car is made in Singapore. So I guess they made good cars back then. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see a video of this driving off-road. And I'm gonna try the winch and everything. And I also have some other videos you can check out as well. Thank you for watching.